Hello, my name is Nicolas Mateo Montalves Teves, and today we cooking my favorite meal, brownies. Brownies ingredients: 110 grams of butter and 200 grams of dark chocolate, 4 eggs, 120 grams of sugar, 85 grams of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, baking soda, walnuts, and chocolate chips. Preparation or steps to follow. First, in a bowl, place the chocolate and butter. Put pot in the microwave at medium temperature to melt. Once melted, mix and stir very well. Second, put the 4 eggs and the sugar in a bowl. Add the flour and the teaspoon of baking soda. Mix and stir very well. Later, add the melted chocolate along with the butter and a touch of vanilla. Stir. Um, Next, add the walnuts and chocolate chips. Uh, Later, in a baking dish, place a little butter and flour. Next, and finish, pour in the mixture and cover with some chocolate chips and some walnuts. Put in the oven for the 30 or 35 minutes at 118 degrees centigrade. And this is the brownies. Thank you.